We talked about addition properties yesterday. We are going to talk about them today. They are usually something that students need to practice a few times in order to commit them to memory. I started writing them in this order, CIA, because sometimes kids have heard of the CIA. It's the secret spy organization of the government. So that's one way that you can remember the first letter of each of these. C stands for commutative property. Order does not matter. It doesn't matter if you put the 2 first or the 5 first when you're adding. Both answers get you 7. That is the commutative property. Now, can you remember I? What can you add to those numbers that don't change the number's identity? Right. 0. 0 is the magic number in the identity property of addition. If you add 0 to any number, you are not going to change the identity, the amount of that number. And the last one, it is the order that you add things. How you group them doesn't matter. 3 plus 2, 5, plus 1 more, 6. This time we're going to group 2 and 1. 2 plus 1, 3, plus 3 more, 6. It is grouping. How you group with parentheses does not change the sum. That's what the associative property is. You are going to practice these 3 properties. Boys and girls, I am not sitting next to you to make you take the time to repeat them in your brain and get them stuck there. This is where you have to be your own teacher, your own boss. You know which one of these is hard for you. Practice that one extra. Repeat that one extra. Maybe write it down on a piece of paper and leave it on your fridge or by the TV or somewhere so you can kind of see the word and see the example over and over and over again until you have these 3 addition properties memorized.